Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to walk you through how to remove gift card from Amazon. Now if you're wondering how to remove a gift card, a credit, debit or third-party gift card like a Visa, MasterCard or Discover card from your payment methods, here's how you can do that. Now you need to log into your Amazon account, go to amazon.com and sign in with your credentials. Then you need to go to your account settings, hover over accounts and lists at the top right of the screen. From the drop down, click your account, access payment options. If your account page In your account page, click on payment options from the left hand column. Then under the debit and credit card section, locate the card you want to remove. Now you need to click the downward arrow next to the card details to expand the options. Click remove and confirm by clicking confirm remove in the pop-up. Now here's some important things to note. Once a gift card has been redeemed, its balance remains in your account and cannot be deleted or removed. If you're facing issues with a redeemed gift card showing as already used, click your account balance as Amazon keeps track of the remaining balance for future use. Hope you found the video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below.